Thought I had them nice and relaxed there for a bit. Relax right here for me. Would you relax right here? Relax your head.
Oh my God.
Very good. You all right? Good?
Was that mine?
That was. You thought there was sound effects, huh?
Yeah.
You thought we had a little machine right here throwing some little sound effects. Not so. It's real. Relax right here. Same thing here. I want you to relax right here for me. Very good. Okay, cool. Now tell the audience, is that super painful?
No.
Very good. Good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Good. Was that fake? No? Okay. Just checking. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Okay. Excellent.
And that helps to normalize. You felt that all the way down, didn't you? That's why we call it right there. There we go. You're still kicking. You're good. Yep. I told her this morning crack addicts were going to love her. So. Now, down here, she had some lower thoracic subluxations that also caused her lower rib cage to subluxate. When I examined her this morning, her right rib cage was an inch lower than her left rib cage.
I know it. T6. Home run. Now, lift your chin up a little bit. There you go. Let's go ahead and set. This way. Gotcha. What's up? What happened?
I feel better. Good.
Yeah, you got way more attitude in like the last 3 years. Something happened. There, so ASIN. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Ow.
I know. ASIN.
Really? Yeah, I feel really bad.
So what should happen after this, when I set this ilium, okay, is it should actually be easier to sit up straight. There we go. There. Home run.
Have the patient take a deep breath. Let it out. Good. One more. And out. Good. So I'll go ahead and look up at the ceiling, take a deep breath. Good. Okay, other side. L4, L5 right in there. So deep breath. Good. And then go ahead and face up. Let's look at the cervicals again.
Definitely heard about us. Relax here for me. Very good. Okay, good. All right. How'd that feel?
Felt good.
Good. Okay, feel that tenderness right in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna get some mobility right in here. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay, let me.
Nice deep breath in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You feel that all the way down?
Oh, yeah, all the way down.
Look at there. You got
Still
good
kicking.
reflexes. Still kicking.
Oh.
That's it. Okay, let me have you kind of tilt your ear to your left shoulder. Just like that.
Oh.
Right. There you go. Now,
Yeah, so I'm going to be adjusting a mid-thoracic segment, right about T5 through T9, getting into the rib head a little bit. So take a nice deep breath in, and let your air all the way out. Good. Good. Nice and easy. Take a nice deep breath in. Drop this. I'm going to roll you forward as a unit. Drop this. Wow, you probably even got to hear that on the camera. Good.
You okay?
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Good. We'll see how you do when you're
I'm
done.
really surprised right now.
Why are you
Like, I can
surprised?
almost cry.
Why?
Because I can already feel the difference.
Really?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. No, I'm. We haven't even got started yet.
I know. But it's
Okay, AS, EX, there. It's coming down and in. There it is. Gotcha. Home run. We're going to set T5 as a PRS. Home run. Focus on your breath, please. Taking a couple of nice deep breaths in. Okay, that's clear. Let's see if the neck is still there. Yeah, neck is still there. We're going to do the neck today. That's C2. That's the third. Okay. Now, the breathing you said had changed from just adjusting T5, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what's going to be interesting to see what happens here. Because up here, 3, 4, 5 of the cervicals control the diaphragm. There we go. There. Home run. Let's look at the septum. It does this. It goes to her left and goes right. So the high side of the rainbow is right there, okay? On that left side. So we're going to take it this way and set it left to right. All set? There we go. All the way over. There, gotcha. That's the worst of it. Deep breath in. Exhale through your mouth. In through your nose. Out through your mouth. Different, right?
Yeah, it's more clear.
Yep.
Doing good. That's much better. Just let yourself relax here. Good. What was the gasp for? Is it pain in the neck, pain in your back? What was the gasp for? Just get it out of your mind?
Just the sound, yeah. Oh, wow.
Good. That's good. Oh, see, it's already starting to go. Do you self-adjust? Do you adjust your own neck sometimes?
I do.
Yeah. Don't self-adjust, people. Problem with that is that it makes it more unstable. This way. Good. Beautiful. Do you feel like we did something there?
I have, this is crazy, but I have no pain in my back, my lower back, or my leg right now.
Okay. Nice deep breath through your nose. Yes, sir. That's why they call it ring dinger. He came for the ring dinger and he got the ring dinger. Yeah. But he brought all the right stuff. If you don't bring all the right stuff, you won't be getting the ring dinger. There you go. Now this is the art of the adjustment. This is a Palmer diversified rotary brake. Contacting the lamina pedicle junction. There you go. Boy, crack addict's gonna love you.
Let's see if I can't get this to come back in. Deep breath in, all the way out. There it goes. Again. And out. Oh, wow.
Rim here. There, keep breathing for me there, Kayla. That girl. Uh-huh. There you go. Mm-hmm. See, crack addict's gonna love you. Good. Okay. Now I want you just to breathe through your nose for me. Your teeth.
Wait a minute.
Just breathe through your nose. Keep breathing, I'll catch you. See? There. That wasn't so bad.
Holy pooper.
Didn't hurt me a bit.
Holy.
Feel that all the way down though?
Yeah.
Watch this. Relax. Look at there. That's better.
I survived.
Told you I wouldn't rip your head off. Okay, relax. Let me do the work. There.
Holy poop.
Okay, let me do it. That girl.
Okay. Breathe out, okay? 1, 2, 3. And it's just a little bit of center of the back.
Okay. Relax this lower part here. There we go. That was loud.
That was loud.
In here. A little bit lower. Perfect. Now, we'll get that middle back here. That's what I said. I was like, oh, I needed that. You did, huh? Feels better already, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yes, it does.
There we go.
Let me get some movement in here. You got right here. Okay, feel that tendons right here. Relax right in here for me. Very good. Okay, excellent. How'd that feel?
Wow.
All right, good. We got some video, some movement for the video there. Right there. Relax right here for me. Excellent. Okay. Good movement there.
Yep, there you go. Go ahead and lay back.
Oh, here we go.
Yes, sir. Just like that.
Oh,
I
yes.
caught you off guard.
Oh.
Yep. How do you spell relief? Ring dinger.
I'll spell relief. You get that pen out.
Yeah.
Got
And
me
turn
a
sideways.
squeeze shoot.
There you go. Oh, there we go. Shoot. Oh yeah. I think that hurt you more than it did me.